Сәлем достар, бүгін мен сендермен қазақ плей. Мен қазір фабриканың үстіне түсіп, классикта дуо.Солода топ-1 алға тырысамын. Егер де топ-1 алатын болсам, лайктарыңызды басып кетіңіздер. Ал енді видеоны тамашалаңыздар.
I've been looking all around, trying to figure out what the hell really counts. When everything feels like it's filling up with doubt, thoughts heading south and no one can hear me shout. And the voices in my head so loud, coming for the storm like a Seattle cloud. The sky's so gray, trying to figure it out, why I'm so down in the sunlight drought. Yeah, memories coming back to me of a simpler time when I was young and free, playing games with the kids lived next to me. Didn't care about time or anything, yeah. But things changed, turned 23. Had to figure out what the hell was next to me. Do I do the safe thing, something guaranteed, or do I do what I love till my fingers bleed? It'll all be okay, figure out my own way. But for now here I lay and remember a day when I was young. When I was young, yeah. Cause it's cold outside, fire burning from the other night. I can smell the coals on my soul, it makes me feel something deep inside. Memories of a better life, memories where I felt alive. And these times you could choose to survive, and these times you could choose to thrive. And I wanna make some, take control of my life and display some. Show the world what I love and go play some. Show the world what I love on a stage strumming. And I wanna make y'all feel the same. And I wanna take away all the pain, at least for a minute while I play. I wanna make you feel okay. It'll all be okay, figure out my own way. But for now here I lay and remember a day when I was young. When I was young, yeah. I'm alright, yeah. Living in the shadows in the night, yeah. Always searching, looking for the light, yeah. Anything to understand this life, yeah. Need someone who could hold me down, yeah, yeah. Feel buried in the ground, yeah, yeah. If I could just be found, yeah, yeah. I don't know why I'm down, yeah, yeah. And I've been feeling spiteful, everything has got me in denial. Put me on trial, waves of emotion like a tidal. I see you and I feel it now, yeah, yeah. I feel my heart, it pounds, yeah, yeah. Vibrations from the sounds, yeah, yeah. I wanna feel you now, yeah, yeah. Oh, I know all the dark places where my mind goes. Thoughts spin around like a vinyl, and you got me feeling something primal. It's vital, I need something new, a revival. I can feel it spreading like it's viral. It's something primal. I know all the dark places where my mind goes. got you looking hella bad. Got something to prove with an attitude like that. With an attitude like that. We could feel the rhythm like it's tribal. I feel her body next to mine though. I'm looking for a sign, oh. Yeah, I feel something inside. Instinct that I can't hide. Bad thoughts are in my mind. It's like they got me blind. I'm not in control. It's like I lost my soul. Nervous and I don't know just where the night will go. I know all the dark places where my mind goes. Thoughts spin around like a vinyl. And you got me feeling something primal. It's vital. I need something new, a revival. I can feel it spreading like it's viral. It's something primal. I know all the dark places where my mind goes. And now I know how you make me feel it's something primal. I know all the dark places where my mind goes. And now I know how you make me feel it's something primal. I needed something, someone to trust in, yeah. I needed something to get me through this life. Never saw you coming, and now we're just running, yeah. You make me feel nothing when we're driving through the night. And I've been looking all around at the places. You and I were seeing so many different faces. We're just cruising right on through this life with the playlist, and everything is right. Never really thought I would make it. Found someone who I don't think I'll ever replace. And I'm empty in my heart so you can just take it. I'm living my best life. And I feel so alive with you by my side. We can make a life. I've got nothing to hide. Driving so fast, every town pass. Never look back, we're good at that. Cause I feel so alive. Damn, you look good tonight. We're driving through rain, running through sun, and looking at planes. We're cruising through towns, moving all around, but you stay the same. We like to run away, we're ditching all our pain and living for today. We're driving so fast, wanna make it last, we'll do it our way. And I feel good at night, full moon the only light. You make me feel like I'm doing alright. I feel good inside, maybe a little high. You make me feel like everything will be alright. I feel so alive with you by my side. We can make a life. I've got nothing to hide. Driving so fast, every town pass. Never look back, we're good at that. Cause I feel so alive. Damn, you look good tonight. And I feel so alive with you by my side. We can make a life. I've got nothing to hide. Driving so fast, every town pass. Never look back, we're good at that. Cause I feel so alive. Damn, you look good tonight. Said I got this, none of this radio pop shit. I dropped this, turning back the clock to rock shit. I cop it, said knock knock, I'm on this. I'm hot bitch, like a hot bitch, the top I lock in, I got this, radio drop this. Hot shit, just watch this, I fucking promise. So lit, do not miss your chance to cop this. Will you capture it, or just let it slip? Or to say I wanna be him, cause my rap is tight. But really they just give a fuck that I ain't black, I'm white. I'm not anyone else, man, I'm one of a kind. So stand back, relax, and listen one more time. I said I got this, none of this radio pop shit. I dropped this, turning back the clock to rock shit. I cop it, said knock knock, I'm on this. I'm hot bitch, like a hot bitch, the top lit. I said I got this, none of this radio pop shit. I dropped this, turning back the clock to rock shit. I cop it, said knock knock, I'm on this. I'm hot bitch, like a hot bitch, the top lit. I love the girls that fuck with my music, getting referrals from the girls, love to booze it, party and lose it. That's the life
life I'm choosing, not losing. That's my 2 cents, so use it. You know I'm back, as a matter of fact. I'm better than ever, never been better. I know that, I wrote that. Sipping on some coke and no jack. Quit staring, bitch, and take a pic. Kodak, I threaten the game, cause money and fame, they don't affect my brain. It's fucking all the same. I'm sick of hearing about these Insta names with Insta fame. Take a pic, sick, you're lame. A quick fix to shame. You lick dick for fame. A thick chick is slain. That chick picked too late. I think I've gone insane. I think I've lost my brain. And honestly, I'm a motherfucking novelty. I got this, none of this radio pop shit. I dropped this, turning back the clock to rock shit. I cop it, said knock knock, I'm on this. I'm hot bitch, like a hot bitch, the top lit. And I got this, none of this radio pop shit. I dropped this, turning back the clock to rock shit. I cop it, said knock knock, I'm on this. I'm hot bitch, like a hot bitch, the top lit.
I can feel the space, it grows in size. I miss your soul, I miss your mind. So long ago, we were just fine. Then we lost ourselves, we lost our time. And I've seen better days. Don't know why I feel this way. Hold me close and take away all the pain. Let's go. 'Cause I hate all this space. Okay. I remember when you'd say we would never break. We would tangle in my bed, you'd take away the space. And the closer you would get, I feel the pain erase. I thought that you always said we would be okay. Things are different, I don't understand when they change. It's kinda funny how the time works in that way. It makes you forget what you used to love day to day. Now all of a sudden you feel like you need a little space. And I've seen better days. Don't know why I feel this way. Hold me close and take away all the pain. 'Cause I hate all this space. Tell me, are we lost? Has our time expired? I feel like we've lost all of our fire. And I've seen better days. Don't know why I feel this way. Hold me close and take away all the pain. 'Cause I hate all this space. I'm right, tell me I'm wrong, tell me I'm weak, tell me I'm strong. I'll take a hit to the soul and move on. I know that everything I do is wrong. Yeah, you don't know shit about me, you don't know shit about me. Nah, I'm falling down on my knees, looking to heavens I see. Your eyes are coded from feelings too strong. My legs are weak from always moving on. You come back hard in my mind every song. We used to sing but now I sing alone. I feel like shit, wish you were gone. I cannot quit, just move along. My mind is stuck, you don't belong, you don't belong. Ooh, oh, oh.
These lies hold true.
You lied under every breath. I'm fine, I just need to forget. Bottle full, light a new cigarette. Lightheaded, I'm infected with thoughts of you injected, like heroin addicted to things inside my head. And your eyes, they pierce your veil. I try but always fail. My mind not strong of will. And still, I hope to one day move on. Know you already moved on. And as I write this cold song, I know that you won't hold on. Your lips turn blue. These lies hold truth. And I'll be fine without you. That's enough, I'm broken. Done with emotion. Had enough, I'm swollen from all that you've stolen. It's over, I'm broken. Done with emotion. It's over, I'm broken. It's over, I'm broken. Without you. Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone.